For new entrepreneurs, deciding to start an online business may be exciting, but it's also a new terrain that can be intimidating and difficult to navigate. One of the biggest challenges aspiring e commerce entrepreneurs may face is figuring out what to sell online, whether to sell a single product or multiple products that occupy a market niche. Coming up with product ideas can be tough, and it often feels like everything that can be sold is already being sold. Not to mention, there is a lot of competition out there. But there are still golden opportunities to take advantage of, and new, successful products are being launched all the time. So, how can you get in on this action? Are there any products which are trending up right now? Well, I'm here to tell you that yes, there are. So, let me share more details with you. First of all, you need to know which approach is the best for your business. You don't want to sell your products just by offering the lowest price because others can always undercut you. If you don't really care what you sell, as long as it generates an income, you will still need to do your homework. You must be willing to learn about the products before you can offer them on your store. Don't sell what everyone else is selling. It makes business a lot harder. Products that people are able to pick up at Walmart, such as DVDs, books, well-known clothing brands, will be difficult to sell because buying from you doesn't add any extra value. People are familiar with these products and are happy to pick them up in a department store at a good price, and they don't have to spend time researching online. It's no secret that organic search traffic is a massive marketing channel. This involves strategically looking for a product or niche online based on the search queries, called keywords, that people are using, and determining volume and competition for those searches. This approach is fairly technical and involves a strong understanding of keyword research as well as SEO. But finding opportunities in keyword searches can be an effective strategy for capturing consistent organic traffic from Google. This strategy is particularly useful if you plan to dropship products, as the margin on dropshipped goods is thin, making it difficult to use paid advertising channels effectively. The quickest way to verify trending products to see if they're a good fit is the Google Trends tool. The Google Trends tool will show you the trend of your product ideas based on total search volume beginning in 2004. Not only does it show you the total search volume, but also displays the countries and cities that the topics are most popular in. Besides Google Trends, subscribing to Trend Publication can help you begin to search for trending products to sell online. Unlike the other resources on this list, this may not give you direct and exact product ideas. However, it helps you to start understanding where the direction of consumer buying patterns is headed, which can spark some incredible product ideas. Other product search engines are PSFK, Cool Hunting, The Cool Hunter, Ubercool, Trend Watching, Trend Hunter, and Springwise. PSFK is a top trending online publication whose goal is to make things better. Cool Hunting is an award-winning publication that uncovers the latest design, technology, style, travel, art, and culture. Cool Hunting's original content helps to inform the creative community of cutting-edge designs. As for The Cool Hunter, it's a natural fit for e-commerce entrepreneurs who want to stay in the know. The Cool Hunter is a leading authority on all things creative and a truly global hub for what's cool, thoughtful, innovative, and original. Ubercool is run by one man, but there is a lot of product ideas up for grabs. Trend Watching, on the other hand, searches the globe for upcoming consumer product trends. It utilizes a team of 30 trend scouts located all over the world, all searching for product trends. Use this as a resource for ideas that you can use. Trend Hunter is one of the largest trend communities with a global network of 137,000 members. It's a great source of ideas and inspiration for entrepreneurs on the hunt for new product ideas to sell online. And last, you can browse the new business and product ideas published in the last 30 days on Springwise. It also publishes a daily and weekly newsletter, which you can subscribe to for free. Marketplaces are probably the most common source to find trending products because they feature current products selling online. However, because of the sheer size of these marketplaces, it's easy to get overwhelmed and give up unless you know the strategy to finding the best trending online products within these marketplaces. First, business to business or B2B marketplaces are gold because not only are they able to find you great products, but you can also find a supplier at the same time. One of the most popular B2B wholesale product sites is Alibaba. They are the biggest e-commerce company in the world, even larger than Amazon and eBay combined. Alibaba connects consumers all over the world with wholesalers and manufacturers, typically from Asia. With many thousands of products, there isn't much you can't find on Alibaba. You should also spend time exploring some of Alibaba's largest competitors, and these include TradeKey, Global Sources, Made in China, and IndiaMart. Next, consumer marketplaces sell directly to the end consumer. By strategically searching some of their trending pages, you can get a better sense on consumer trends and products related to them. Some examples would be eBay, Amazon, and Kickstarter. eBay is the largest online consumer auction site. You can find some of the most popular product categories on eBay Popular or use eBay Watch Count, which is an online tool that will list the popular items on eBay based on how many people are watching them. As for Amazon, which is the largest internet retailer, you can find the most popular products on Amazon bestsellers, which is updated hourly. Also, you can find Amazon's biggest gainers in sales rank over the past 24 hours on Amazon Movers and Shakers, which is also updated hourly. Kickstarter, on the other hand, is the largest crowdfunding website. You're able to browse all projects by popularity, funding, and staff picks, as well as many other options with Kickstarter Discover. Next, let me start off by saying that these are not suggested products to sell online. These are some interesting ideas that are trending upwards according to Google Trend. Before selling anything online, you must do your own due diligence to determine market demand and potential. Trending products are good, but if you can make it even better, why not? Putting in your own idea to an existing product to make it better and making it your own piece is not plagiarism, but an innovative product recreation. The nutrition and health industry is always changing, and there are always opportunities for new products to cater to the latest diet. One of the biggest but most interesting trends in the last few years is the paleo diet. If you don't know what a paleo diet is, it's a modern nutritional plan based on the presumed diet of Paleolithic humans that lived 15,000 years ago. There is a massive spike in Google Trends beginning at the tail end of 2010. The next trending item is wooden glasses. Who would have thought this? A search for wooden glasses in Alibaba returns over 22,000 products from over 500 suppliers. With all of the supply, there is likely to be a strong demand. By searching wooden sunglasses in Google Trend, it appears that wood-framed sunglasses are fairly new products but have seen consistent growth almost every year since inception. Beyond wooden sunglasses, there is also a focus on other wooden accessories. Even though there are plenty of products, wooden watches seem to be an interesting one. Based on Google Trends, it appears that they came into existence at the end of 2004 and have seen a slow but steady climb in interest up to 2012. The last interesting trendy product is matcha powder. What's matcha? Matcha is a finely milled green tea powder originating from Japan, which has become increasingly popular, along with the tea category in general. Supermarket tea sections have exploded from carrying just Red Rose and Tetley to hundreds of brands in recent years. The trend for matcha powder, according to Google Trends, has been increasing every year since 2009 and has just recently seen a massive spike in search interest.